Hello, it's Miss Esther, and we're ready to learn a new letter. This is the letter V. Hello, V. V is in the shape of a vulture. And vultures are birds that eat lots of dead things, anything they can find on the side of the road. V the vulture is holding a vacuum. Just like V the vulture eats lots of things found on the road, the vacuum can kind of eat things found on the ground. I brought my vacuum because it's cleaning day today. And I'm going to have you make this sound when I turn on my vacuum. You're going to press your bottom teeth to the part of your lip right here and kind of make it vibrate while you go. Okay, so here's my vacuum. Let's make that sound. Now you probably don't always have a vacuum with you, so like it suggests in the book, let's hold a pretend vacuum and push it back and forth while we say. Ready to do the song? Here we go. I can hear the vacuum in the song too.
The vulture lives in a valley. She loves to vacuum and view the dirt as it vanishes in the vacuum.
Make that sound with me, ready?
Necessary.
Awesome. Now, to enjoy that letter even more, we have an activity found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activities book. After you've colored or painted the letter V, this letter gets to vacuum up things that begin with that V sound. Let's try a couple. There's the V van, violin, or vase. Now, those of you that have gotten this far in your alphabet, you're kind of getting close to the end, so don't forget to review your rhymes. Here's a quick rhyming game. There's a ring. Listen for the ending sound in ring. Ring. Does rake rhyme with ring? Or king? Or rat? Ring, king. Hey, rhyme. Someone put like a little star on it. Now, those of you that are ready to move on and you're in your beginning alphabet beginning reader book, you should be on lesson 23. A fun phonemic activity found in that lesson is to really focus on the middle vowel sounds. So I've taken some houses and changed the vowel sound in these houses. So pat, pet, pit, pot. You can do the same sound or same activity found in those other beginning and end sounds with a different vowel sound. Now, I love this story about two friends. They're pals. Pal is another name for friends. Do you have a pal that you like to be close with? Do this activity before you read the book or before you read the story. So I'm going to tell you a story. Meg is a friend and Vic is a friend. When Vic was at Meg's house, Meg didn't let Vic play the game that she wanted. Meg told Vic to do what she wanted to do. Do you think Meg is a pal? Let's answer that question. Is Meg a pal? Yes or no? I think it's no, because she didn't share. She didn't take turns. So here's another question. When it was time to clean up, Meg and Vic were both needing to be in a hurry because their mom was coming to get Vic. So Vic decided to help Meg clean up. So here's the question. Is Vic a pal? I think that's a yes, because she helped clean up. Pals help each other. Here's another fun activity to do before you read the book. I've taken the words in the story dog and cat, and the actions they perform in the story is hop and nip. So now I'm going to switch the words in the story. The dog can hop. Now let's change it around. The cat can hop or nip. By playing around with the words in the story, that helps you understand sentence structure, and it makes it a little bit more enjoyable to identify the words. So you can finish reading the story about Meg and Nip and how they're pals and how they help clean up and play nicely together with their dog and cat. For these ideas and more, you can go to the website at www.seeheardocompany.com.